I know someone's going to ask, what about picky eaters? Lola is the pickiest dog on this farm, and she turned her nose up at more supplements than I can count, but she actually looks forward to these, which is saying a lot. So it makes giving them a lot easier, and they really, they really love them. Sit. Okay. So I've seen a lot of dog parents talking about this brand lately, and honestly, I get why. They work with a vet advisory team and have clearly put care into the formula. They've got thousands of 5-star reviews, and that matters a lot to me. So I don't want to guess when it comes to my dog's health.